Hey guys, so today's video is going to be on this look right here. I sat down to do a everyday soft glam and this is kind of how it turned out. So it's a little bit more dramatic than an everyday soft glam, but if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. First off, I'm going to go in with my primer and I'm going to be using the Becca Backlight Priming Filter, and I think this is the only shade they have. I'm not sure if there's any other shades in it. I'm just going to put a little bit on my finger and just work it into my skin. Then I'm going to go in with the Makeup Forever Base Hydrate Step 1 Primer, and I'm just going to put this where I have more drier skin. And while that sinks into my skin, I'm just going to put some chapstick on. Then I'm going to take this NYX Dark Circle Concealer and put it under my eyes. Then I'm just going to take my finger and work it in. Then I'm going to be using my two concealers by Maybelline in the shade Fair and Light. I'm just going to take my L'Oreal Beauty Sponge and blend it in. And I'm also going to take it onto my eyelid as a primer for my eyeshadow. And in my everyday makeup looks, I usually don't use foundation just because I find it's a little bit too heavy for my skin. So this is what I like to do. I just like to use concealer and then go in with bronzer and stuff. But if you do need the coverage, then by all means use foundation. Just whatever works best with your skin. Then I'm going to take my Laura Mercier translucent powder and set where I just put that concealer. I'm just going to take a big fluffy brush and wipe it away and then put the excess all on the rest of my face. Today I'm going to be using the Jaclyn Hill Morphe palette. First I'm going to go into this shade right here and just put it in my crease. And I actually need to step out of my comfort zone because every look I've been creating lately has been with warm tone shades. So if you guys want to see a makeup look with like colorful colors, like maybe with these blues down here or something, then just let me know in the comments down below. I think I'm going to go for a more softer look today, but maybe like a soft glam. I don't know. I kind of want to use some, like one of these glitter shades in here, so maybe I'll play around with one of those. I really need to get me some glitter glue to see if that makes it pop more. I watch Casey Holmes videos and that's what she uses when she uses glitter eyeshadows, so I need to get that and try it out and see if it works. think I'm going to go in with these two colors next and just deepen up the crease a little bit. Then I'm just going to go back in with that fluffy brush and blend it out. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit more preciser brush and pick up this dark brown shade. And then I'm just going to put it in my outer crease. And then the outer V. And then I'm just going to blend it out again. Ugh. My dog is sitting in my lap and she just pooted and it smells extremely bad. I'm going to go in with that same brush that I used, the dark brown, and pick up this black right here and then just put a little bit in my outer corner just to deepen it up just a little bit. And then I'm going to blend it out. I'm debating whether or not I actually want to use glitter, because I kind of like the way it looks right now. I think I'm just going to go for it. What color of glitter do you think I should use? I think I'm going to try this one just to see what it looks like. I actually think this one's just a little bit too light. I'm going to go in with this one right here on top of it. I think it kind of needs some gold. So I'm going to go in with this shade and just put it on top. Yeah, I think I like that. And I know this seems like a lot, putting 3 different color glitter eyeshadows on your eye, but you can always just use one. I just didn't like the way it looked by itself. Now I'm going to work on my bottom lower lash line. So I'm going to take a little pencil brush and go in with this color right here and put it all on my lower bottom. I'm going to go in with this little shader brush and pick up these two colors and smoke it out a little bit just on the outer corner. Go back in with that pencil brush and just blend those two colors together. I'm going to take a different little definer brush and go in with this dark brown shade and then blend that out as well. Then we're going to go in with a flat definer brush with this black color and just put that right on my lower lash line. Then I'm actually going to take those glitter colors and put it on the inner corner of my eye. Then I'm going to go in with my bronzer, and I'm using the Hula Benefit bronzer. Then I'm going to go in with some blush, and this is Makeup Geek Bliss. Then for highlighter, I'm going to use the Becca Champagne Pop. This is so pretty, guys. Then I'm going to do my brows, and I'm going to be using this Anastasia Brow Definer in Taupe. Then I'm just going to go in with this Clinique High Impact Mascara and do my lashes. I would actually prefer a false lash with this look, but don't have any with me on hand. Then since my lips are so dry, I'm just going to use chapstick. This is the finished product. I hope you guys like it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, I would love it if you subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.